Hey, this is Laura Walker, Art with a Soul. I haven't shown you my bus in a while, my art bus, and I figured out how to fit more art into it, and I'm pretty excited about that because my pro panels that I have are going on stilts, so they're going to be really tall and able to display more art. So here, you see down here, that metal case has my paint palette abstracts, and then there's a case of art on top of it. And then here on top of my pro panels, that's my big 6-foot beast, the Alice in Wonderland piece. I've got pieces just crammed on top. Let's see how to show you any more of it. Okay, I've got more art stored in the in-between this space here. I have about 8 medium paintings stored there. But if you see down here, this is the new part, having a case, well, and putting stuff here too. But this is a big, heavy plastic tote full of smaller pieces of art, and then on top is another tote. And then back there, I have my final tote that has the taller pieces in it. And then you see that green blanket, that's where I slip in between these two sections. This is where I slip in big art. So I have one big piece right there. So that's a whole lot of art that I have. I'll be going to Fairhope, followed by a new show, well, a show that's new to me in Gulf Breeze, which is basically Pensacola. So in the back, that's my prints, my rug, an extra tent, toolbox, pro panels, and then all the different tent stuff that I need. So lots of good storage, and I've even cleared a space right here for a little bit more, which is good because when I go, I fit one more toolbox right here, and somehow I've got to fit a cooler in there because I will be camping. I think the cooler can go underneath this, and then just put that tarp, like maybe over to the left. Anyhow, it's a total puzzle with these art buses. Anybody who has to store stuff for a lot of shows knows how that is. But I love it. I love it. I love my bus. Honk if you see me on the road.